Okay, so I have my stitches on my needles, and I'm going to join the new yarn and also pick up 2 stitches in each corner here to close those gaps a little bit more. Now when you're picking up stitches, it's not always going to be perfect, and you might need to go back in there with the needle when you're sewing in the tail and close that hole up a little bit. Alright, so just to slow down and go back here. I'm not going to go in here because that would leave a big hole, as would here. So I'm going to come right into this gray stitch here. Pick up a stitch. Pick up another stitch, and I'm just wrapping the tail around there so it keeps it in. I'm going to drop the tail of that yarn, short end. Okay, turn this here on my needle. And I'm just going to knit across my picked up stitches. Come over here. And I'm going to pick up 2 more stitches over here on this side. So I want to, again, find stitches that aren't going to leave me with big gaping holes. But also to expect that with seamless knitting, you have to close those holes sometimes with yarn tails. Okay, so there. I have all the stitches now. I'm going to pull this yarn tail back through to the wrong side of the work so it doesn't get in my way. I'm ready to work the ribbing.